patience, and sacrifices, we have overcome so many obstacles and faced countless challenges. But we have persevered, and now we stand here today proud and triumphant. What we just heard is a free speech that I searched originally from Google after reading so many samples of valedictorian speech.
Go, Jody!
I realized that this class lives in a world that everyone has personal smartphones and personal computer with billions of connections. That we use to call bed,
Kanira, ano?
set alarms bed,
Kanira.
chat at
Project
teacher's
ko.
bed, use to
Project
search
ko
it
ba?
online, and of course, use to record TikTok videos. It's not an extraordinary. A world where artificial intelligence is present, cars that you can talk with using the AI monitor, games that we can play online using our smartphones. Everything we use now runs with the technology, but we don't praise them. We don't praise smartphones or any technology because that's what we grew up with. It is our everyday. Despite the technology evolving in our present day, we chose to learn in actual or in action. We chose to came here in campus to learn. We chose to spend our allowances in projects and transportation fees, even though we can learn it through online or for free. We, on the other hand, persevered through many traumatic experiences to graduate, but in the midst of our journey, we found we're individuals who we call friends, enemies who become friends, fell in love with our friends or classmates, and of course, we found a fellow classmate who we got drunk with. Cheers to these nights! There are many dangers in this world. Global warming, COVID, Bagyong Odette, and despite all of this, we still managed to graduate. So let's give ourselves a round of applause. We went through hell and back, and yet we're still here today, wearing with our oversized toga
Toga!
and a square cap. That is why the daily class of 2023 is not only the silliest class in the history of this institution, but also the strongest. We pushed, persisted, and persevered. And now, we cram our entire college experience in the span of 3 years. We took our college years, found that making a high grade is not as important as long as we get past. Despite all the INC we need to comply, it still doesn't affect us. Because we believe in what our former President Rodrigo Duterte said, kung saan man nagsobra ng grado, kung saan lagat hindi pangayon sa gobyerno.
Nice, nice!
waiting, where the true battle awaits. I know we are all afraid for the future, but I know we will overcome it. I know some of us are still afraid to take order on any fast food restaurant kung included pa since I order. But that's okay because we have our own weaknesses. I remember on the code I wrote when I was in my first year days, subject understanding the self handled by our gorgeous mom, Mrs. Miss Rosana Gagnon, in which we are given a task to create an optical illusion, give an insight, and post it on Facebook. On that post, I wrote the captions. When your weakness been a hindrance to make you forward, don't let it be. Let your weakness be your strength. Be your guard or shield to lift everything that's on your way. And so, this is Jodeline Bernales Hamito, leaving a message that you must be kept in mind. Your weaknesses is your strength. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you for the witty message, Ms. Hamito. Let us hear another testimony and word of gratitude from the representative